In front of me is NOKIA 5.4, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this phone. So at first just enroll the list of all apps and go to the settings. Now locate security, and here you need to click on fingerprint. So at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. And now you need to draw the unlock pattern that will be a backup to your fingerprint. Tap on next then, and re-enter this pattern again. Tap on confirm, and that's it, it has been applied. Now you need to manage your notification panel, so you can see all notification content, you can hide sensitive content, or you can hide all of them, and I will hide all notification content, and tap on done. And now to unlock your device with fingerprint, tap on next, and place your fingerprint on the sensor. So the sensor is located at the back cover of your device, right here. So just keep tapping until it is fully added. On your home screen, you can see the progress. So let me do it this way right now. I'm just lifting the finger and then put it on the sensor again. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. You can rename it right here. Just enter your name or whatever. Let me name it HardReset, tap on OK, and finally click on done. And that's it. From now on, you can smoothly unlock your device either with your fingerprint, just by tapping. As you can see, the device has been unlocked, or you can use this backup pattern, just like this. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.